Hey guys, it's Melody and welcome to another melsfoodieadventures. Today we're at Dumbo in Tokyo, Japan, and I've been seeing this place like a lot online and it looks so cute, and you know me, I love my donuts. So let's go in and check it out and see what flavors they have today. By the way, it's kind of raining right now and the weather's kind of gloomy, so I think this is like the perfect time to get donuts and coffee. Even though I'm not really a coffee drinker, I'm gonna get it today.
I'll have some.
Okay, Iris will drink it for me. Alright, let's go. You guys, I'm literally in heaven right now. They're so cute. These donuts are huge, by the way. So I got a framboise, I think that's how they say it, maybe I'm butchering, I don't really know. But this is, it looks like a raspberry glazed donut, and this is their number one best selling, so I thought I would get this one, and this is actually pretty heavy if you feel it. So I'm going to take some pictures with this, and then I'll come back and give you guys a taste test.
They also make these shaved ice with mini donuts.
Just telling Iris here that I would love working here. Like, I would have the best day every single day of my life. Like, this just looks so fun. I'll be surrounded by donuts. Literally in heaven. This is so cute. Look how cute this is. And let's take it out so I can give it a taste test. Oh no, my straw is stuck. Okay, helping Iris. Okay. The coffee's pretty good. Not too sweet, it's a latte. Iced coffee, the best kind. I'm gonna try this.
Can we get a close-up of it yet though?
Oh yeah. Alright, by the way, this donut was how much was it? So this was $3.50 in Japanese yen, so that equivalents to about $3.50 US, but maybe a little tiny bit less. This is a really heavy donut, so it's worth it. And the coffee. This coffee was 400 yen, so it's about more. Yeah, so this coffee was more than this donut, and this was about $4, a little less. And my dad's taking a photo. Okay, so let's give it a taste test. Ready? This is so heavy. It's like a pound. Where should I start?
Show me.
Really thick. It's really thick and it's kind of dense. Kind of chewy. Yeah, let me give it another bite. Not too sweet, by the way. Let me finish biting. Let me get a sip of coffee, actually. Still biting. So this isn't your typical like fluffy donut that you would get at those mom and pop like shops where they give you the pink boxes. This is a little bit more dense and chewy and just not as fluffy, kind of more in the bread sense, with a little glaze, raspberry glaze on top. The glaze is really good, tastes exactly like raspberries, not too sweet. Let me give it another bite. It's like oozing. So cute though. Don't try. She doesn't want to try. If you guys have ever had like mochi donuts, I would think that kind of tastes like this because it's more chewy and more like cute. There's a Taiwanese donut place. I don't know if it's Taiwanese, but it's called Mr. Donut, and their donuts are super chewy. I'm not a huge fan of those donuts, but this one's like in between those ones and a regular fluffy donut from those mom and pop shops. Not bad. I love bread. I love carbs. So, I mean, it's not bad. I will say that I do like the fluffier ones more though, but you know, always good to try something new. Hey, not you. They have a ton of flavors here, by the way, and they're all like really cute donuts. Oh, I forgot to say, definitely. So this place is called Dumbo, and there's like a ton of like New York things around here, so I'm pretty sure Iris from New York. We're not from, but living in New York. So this place is inspired by Dumbo in Brooklyn, New York, and everything around here has like a New York theme to it, and it's pretty cool. On my new series, I'm trying to like think of the name still, but something about like IG worthy or for the gram worthy, like is it worth the hype or something like that, right? So IG worthy, definitely a 10 out of 10. This place is like super, super cute. Like all the aesthetics are like perfect, but taste wise, I would give it maybe a 7 or an 8 out of 10. Really? Is that? Yeah, really? What do you want me to say? 6 or 7? No, I'm gonna say 7. 7 good. For taste wise, I just burped. For taste wise, I would give this maybe a 7 out of 10. Only because, okay, it's super cute, right? But I personally just like fluffier donuts and more like soft and, you know, just like melts in your mouth type of thing. But this one you have to actually like chew it and bite on it for a little bit. But I'd still come. So I'm just going to end the video here, finish this, and give some to my family. And I'll see you guys in my next Melsfoodie Adventures. Bye!